Now the question before us is, find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 square centimeter. So we will try to solve. Now what is given is surface area of sphere is equal to 154 square centimeter. We also know that the formula for calculation of surface area is 4 pi r square. This is the formula for calculation of surface area of sphere. It is equal to 154 square centimeter. So now we will put in the relevant values. It is a mathematical constant pi. It stands for 22/7. It is r square. It is radius. The radius is known, not known to us. It is this. So now what is r square? It will come as 154 into 7, 4 into 22. Now here we will cut 77, 7, 11 will be used to cut 77. It will come as 7. Now what is balance is 77, 7 into 7, 49 over 4, and it will come as 12.25. Now what has come out? R square is 12.25. Now what is R? It is, now it will come as 3.5 centimeter. Now the value of radius has been calculated. Now what is the formula for calculation of volume of sphere? It is 4/3 pi r cube. So now we will use the values 4/3. What is the value of pi? It is 22/7. Now here what is r cube? What is the value of r? It is 3.5. We will write it 3 times. Now when we solve it, it will come as 179.67 cubic centimeter. Now this is the answer. Volume of the sphere is equal to 179.67 cubic centimeter. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.